Hi guys, today I wanted to talk about Daiso. It is a Japanese kind of Dollar General store. I've been seeing a lot of videos about gardeners getting some big hauls out of Dollar Tree. But if you don't have a Dollar Tree around you, or if you just want something different, you can go to Daiso. They are located, they have got 80 stores across the US. They're in Texas, they're in Washington, California, New York, and New Jersey. I went to one in Texas, and it's just really awesome because they've got a wide variety of things, and it's pretty high quality too. They've got anything from gardening gloves to those plant name plates that you can just stick in the ground and label your plants, pruning shears, gardening nets. They've got all kinds of different stuff. Almost everything is in Japanese. There's going to be some English words, so you'll know kind of what it is. But also the pricing there's a conversion chart. Everything's about $1.50 to $11 I've seen. But when you're looking at these items, you're going to have to find the price, and it'll be in Japanese, and then you'll look at the conversion chart to see how much it is. If you'll see in the top right corner, there's like a Y200. You'll go over to the pricing chart and you'll see exactly how much that is. They've got planter hooks. They've also got those cute decorations, like on the left, you can stick them in pots. They've got planting insect nets. So if you're an outdoor gardener, you can put these over your crops that are susceptible to disease or insects. That's for your climbing plants. Oh, and these are the cute nameplates I was talking about. I'm always so bad about labeling. Sometimes I'll plant and then I'll forget what it is. Gardening tape, I had no idea that was a thing, but also I'm a relatively new gardener. There are more nameplates. I thought those were super cute. I thought this was really nice. So sometimes people will put rocks in the bottom of their planters, but you can put that, and that's a good drainage thing. I've seen this used for succulents when you're planting that thing. That's for your climbing, if you've got any climbing plants. I thought that was really nice. These pruning shears look super cute. I thought this was interesting. So you need to get more circulation with your indoor plants, and I love the design. I stopped myself from buying it, but I really wanted it. They've got all kinds of gloves that you can choose from that are pretty cheap, and they're good quality too. They even have the tomato, I forget what they're called, but where your tomatoes can climb. They've got extra support. So they've got, gotta work on my camera over there, you guys. Just extra support for your tomatoes or for anything else you might have, which is really nice. So this is if you're planting outdoors, it helps you dig holes. Those are just some tiles. If you're planting indoors, you can put that down on maybe your indoor wood floors or something like that. I thought these are really cute. Those are really nice. They're planters, and they're just about $1.50 for that whole pack of them. That one's a multi-pack too. A lot of these planters will come in multi-packs, which is really nice. And so it is kind of like seed starter season in the zone that I'm in. I'm in zone 8, and so I'm starting a lot of things indoors. They also have lots of pots to choose from, and I like all of these pots because their drainage looks like that. Like there's ample drainage, and it's got it doesn't have the trays in the bottom, but I actually think that's good because a lot of times water will sit in there. They've got these watering cans that are super cute. And then also, what I like about this store is that they've got a lot of buckets. And so this is good if you are ever like pre-moistening your soil. They've just got like a whole ton of buckets to choose from for you to work in. And I always think that's really nice. Or if you're catching rainwater outside. And then they've got these cute decorative things too. Kind of like how Dollar Tree has, or even, and that is a fake plant my daughter found. We did not buy it. And then if you're labeling your plants, they've got these chalkboard things, those chalkboard stickers, and then chalkboard markers. And I thought this was cute. you can turn any surface into actual chalkboard. And so this is the price conversion chart that they'll have throughout the store. You just have to look for the Japanese, I guess, money sign, and you'll be able to tell pretty easily how much something is. So that is it. I just wanted to show you guys Daiso. It was super cool. I spent like 2 hours in there with my family just looking at everything, because they don't just have gardening items. They've got decor, they've got kitchen stuff, they've got snacks. It's really awesome. Okay, if you like this video, or if you found it helpful, or if you want to leave a comment below, please feel free to, and please like and subscribe.